I know exactly what you're thinking, but trust me, this is not a joke. Hey guys, Rado here, and today I want to share something super exciting. You saw the picture, that's why you probably click on the video, and I know it's unreal. There is YZ250 engine that is bored to 300 with a fuel injection and electric start that looks stuck on the engine. It's not some kind of piggyback thing from some other company, but it actually looks like the engine is made this way. So when I first saw the picture, I thought it's a fake picture, but then I looked closely and then I read the article and I saw the video, and man, that's something that I got super excited about. So let's first put the facts correctly. So it is a YZ250 engine that you are looking at. It's made into this fuel-injected electric start 300, but it's not made by Yamaha. We have to say that. This engine is not made by Yamaha. It is actually developed in Europe, and it's developed by Italian company. And hopefully I'll say the name correctly. It's Motori Minarelli. So the company Motori Minarelli is somewhere in Italy, and it's apparently a company with a long history of building engines, 2-strokes, 4-strokes, and they actually build engines for many different brands, and one of those brands would be Fantic as well. If you guys know a little bit about the Europe scene in the dirt bike world, Fantic is actually building very similar bikes to YZ. They are sharing the same platform. They have some kind of partnership with Yamaha. So they build this red and white YZs. They call them Fantic XX, I believe, 250, and they have some 125. They have enduro bikes and motocross bikes, and they look pretty good. Now they are tweaking the engines a little bit. They are using the same platform. I think they have the same frame, but they are changing the plastics, changing the tank, so the bike looks a little bit different, but it shares majority of the base platform from YZ250 and even from the 4-stroke models. So that actually gives me a lot of hope, because Motori Minarelli was bought by Fantic. So Fantic now owns 100% of the Motori Minarelli, which is the company developing the engine for Fantic. And actually Motori Minarelli, on their website, they also state that they work for Yamaha developers as well. So that actually brings me to the point that I want to talk about today. Why can't we see these engines on the blue bikes? If they're already sharing the platform, if the Fantic already has the platform and has a relationship with Yamaha in Japan, and they are developing all this new engine, the new technology, this beautifully looking engine, just tell me below in the comments what you think. I think it looks amazing, and I think it will run really good. So they're already developing that for the European bikes. They will have them in production by 2024 in Fantic bikes. So my question is, would it be possible for Yamaha to just, get those engines and make the same engines in Japan and put them in some kind of YZ300X build with electric start and, fuel injection and all that good stuff? Maybe even put different transmission in it, maybe 6 gears. I mean, they can do many other things, many different things on those engines, right? But we have to say that this engine is a concept. And the video that you see and the pictures that you see, these are from the biggest moto show in Europe. It's in Milan, and Fantic and Moto Minarelli, they introduced this engine, this concept, and they are saying that these engines should be in production by 2024 model year. So that means sometimes next year. So it's concept, it's not just the drawings, it's not just the 3D, it's a real engine. They probably have some in the bike already they can run. So this is the engine concept. They're gonna create the prototypes, and then there will be the production right after that, I believe. That's how I see it. They didn't share a lot of details. What they said is that it's 300 fuel injection. I have a little thing here. So it's a Del Toro throttle body that kind of look like the TPI for the KTM, but it has a different angle. And they are saying that this is the best angle for the throttle body, and it works really well according to the press release. Plus it has some kind of mechanical decompression, and also it would have a different exhaust valve that will help to maintain the power in the low RPM. It will just be a really good engine for the off-road riding. This engine is developed only for enduro, for off-road riding, and should be explosive and should have a really good acceleration. So I'm excited. I'm really pumped that they are doing something like this. We all know this YZ250 engine. We all love the YZ250 engine. It's difficult not to love this engine. It's been around for a very long time. With a little tweaking, a little porting, it gets a good power down low at the bottom. I had one build on my channel where we sent the engine to Tom Morgan and then he ported it for us to bring power a little bit lower, and it was really nice engine, lugging it on the trails. It felt really great. Now if you add fuel injection, and if you add electric start, and if you add this automatic decompression, mechanical decompression, and maybe they even balance the crank, who knows what they're gonna do, right? They're spending, I think, a lot of R&D dollars and time and manpower to make these engines as good as possible using the proven platform of YZ250. So definitely pump. And hey, European guys, you guys over there, you're probably watching this video. Let me know what you think about this. You probably will be the first ones able to buy this bike in 2024. You can ride it, you can test it, and then share your feedback with us. But as I said, I'm hopeful because I think it would be easier now for Yamaha to just somehow get that engine into Japan and do some kind of mass production over there and come up with the YZ300X with all these goodies. Now comment below and let me know if Yamaha comes out with the YZ300 that is electric start, fuel injected, has a different transmission, and maybe has a crank balance and all these things I was talking about in this video. Would you go and put a down payment at your local dealer to get that Yamaha? Comment below and let me know. I really want to hear your opinion. I know there is a lot of guys commenting on my videos saying that if Yamaha comes with something like that they will definitely go for it. Lately, recently, a month ago or so, I was able to test ride new YZ250 2022, and that bike felt really good. I love the connection to the to the trail, to the track. The throttle wasn't as abrupt as before, losing traction. Before every gear you go on the gas, you lose the traction, and it just felt so different. Now this bike feels much better, and they didn't even change anything in the engine. So can you imagine if they actually have brand new engine that works amazing, and then they put all the R&D on the top of that, and they come out with an enduro model that will be toe-to-toe with head-to-head with KTMs, Huskies, Shercos, Betas, and all those other bikes. Man, that would be amazing. I would really love to see a good off-road bike, 300 or 250, coming out of Japan. That would be really on par with everything else coming out from Europe. So let me know below in the comments what you think about this new engine concept. I think it's beautiful. When I saw it, I was really happy. I wanted to share it with you guys. So let me know below in the comments your opinion, and don't forget, whatever you do, stay motivated. See you guys later.